This is the Harvst control box, which is the brains of your smart garden system. I'm going to show you through all the connections and the buttons and how to fix it to your greenhouse or your polytunnel. So on the right hand side we've got the power in. This is either a solar panel or the mains power supply. Then here we've got your air temperature sensors, or if you've got a humidity sensor, that goes in there. On the left hand side we've got a 4-pin for the soil moisture sensors, and then a 3-pin for your water solenoids, if you've got those. And then the bottom left is the water pump. On the top right you've got your power button to turn it on and off, and then the top left is the wake button if it's a solar box, or the manual override for watering for solar or mains powered boxes. So this is a solar powered box and it's got the battery built in. If you've got a mains powered box, it'll have 3 extra sockets along the bottom here, and those will be for heaters and lights. To fix it to the greenhouse, you've got these 2 little flaps which open up, and then you can put your bolts or screws through there. The box is fully waterproof, can be placed outside. In this video, I'll show you how to connect your control box to your home Wi-Fi network so that you can operate it in online mode. The first thing you need to do is turn on the box. It'll start a fast beep, and this means it's looking for your home Wi-Fi network. If you've not configured it before, it won't find it. So after 30 seconds or so, it'll slow down to a slow beep. So there's the slow beep. What you need to do is connect your phone to the Wi-Fi network that's being transmitted by the control box. So go to Wi-Fi settings and you'll see one that's Harvst-Wi-Fi. Connect to that. If your phone automatically redirects you, then you'll end up with the Wi-Fi manager. Go to Configure Wi-Fi, and you've got about 1.5 minutes to do this. From the options at the top, choose your home Wi-Fi network. So click on that, it'll show in the top box, and then in the bottom box, enter your home Wi-Fi network password and save. You can hear it still beeping in the background. That little celebration beep means the box is connected. It'll turn off the Harvst Wi-Fi network, reboot, and then that double beep will show you that the box is now connected to your home network. If your phone doesn't automatically redirect you to the dashboard once you've connected to the Wi-Fi network, open a web browser, Chrome or Safari, and then in the URL type 192.168.4.1, and that will take you straight to the right place. Here's how to use your control box in offline mode if you've not got Wi-Fi at your greenhouse or polytunnel. The first thing you need to do is turn it on while holding the wake button down. So press that, keep it pressed down, and then press the power on button. You'll hear that long beep and then a double beep to say it's ready and transmitting its own Wi-Fi network. On your phone, you'll see a Harvst dash and then a code which matches the code on the back of the control box. Click that to join the Wi-Fi network. There's no internet on that Wi-Fi, which is fine. My phone automatically redirects me to the control panel. If it doesn't connect you, then you can go to an IP address, which I'll show you at the end. Go to the dashboard, and here is the control panel for this system. So this is transmitting its own Wi-Fi network. My phone is connected to that, and we're now looking at control box via the phone. On settings, go to the connection option and choose offline or no Wi-Fi, and then save the settings. The box is now configured in offline mode. So I've just turned it off, and if I turn it back on again, it'll turn on in offline mode. Anytime you want to change the settings, go to that Wi-Fi network, change the watering, and so on. This is a solar powered box, so it will go to sleep. While it's awake, that light is flashing on the top. And while it's asleep, there's no Wi-Fi network, so you won't be able to connect to it. To wake it up, all you need to do is press the wake up button once. Once you hear the double beep, just then, you can then go to your Wi-Fi network and connect. If your phone doesn't automatically redirect you to the dashboard once you've connected to the Wi-Fi network, open a web browser, Chrome or Safari, and then in the URL type 192.168.4.1 and that will take you straight to the right place.